Welcome to 635 Windermere Avenue, a spectacularly renovated house in the desirable neighborhood of Bloor West Village. This is style and flair at its finest. Come on in and have a look. This professionally designed and decorated home features hardwood floors throughout the main and upper levels, solid oak staircase, and newer large windows exuding lots of natural light. The main floor features a great circular flow with a generous foyer, sightlines to the backyard, and custom millwork throughout. In addition to the newer major mechanicals, the in-law Nanny suite in the lower level was completely rebuilt with new plumbing, HVAC, waterproofing, wiring, bathroom, kitchen, flooring, and lighting. The home features 3 large bedrooms and 1 supersized spa bathroom. With future growth in mind, the home features a huge attic with insulation and subfloors prepared for your loft conversion. And for the environmentalists, the home has been wired for electric car charging. The fabulousness doesn't end inside. Large porches, both front and back, are wired for lighting. Finally, to round out this outstanding home, magnificent gardens that have been meticulously maintained with care and love, ready for their new owners. For more information about this house, the neighborhood, or the comparables, please get in touch.